Hi friends, my name is Rajendra Ashok Deshmukh. Today's date is 28 March 2022. Today's video topic is introduction of conditional statement in a Java programming language. Now we can see this conditional statement. In Java programming language, if statement tests the condition, if statement tests the Boolean condition. This Boolean condition either true or false. In Java programming language, various types of if statement. First is if statement. If statement tests the condition and executed if blocks when if statement is true. Second is if statement. If statement tests the conditions and executed if block when if block is condition is true, otherwise else block is executed. Third is if else ladder. In Java programming language, if else ladder statement executed one conditions from multiple statements. Is like meaning as there are multiple statements, but if ladder statement check this one condition in a multiple statement. Fourth is nested if statement. Nested if statement is represented if blocks within if blocks. In a nested if statement, inner condition of if block is executed when outer condition of if block is true. Is like as a nested if statement. Fifth is switch. In a switch statement, only one condition is true. Only one condition is executed in a multiple conditions. Switch statement is the same like as if else ladder. Then is this all of conditional statements in a using Java programming language I have said. First important conditional statement is if, because it states the only Boolean conditions. These Boolean conditions either true or false. That's why in a Java programming language, if statement is the most important issue. Thank you everyone for watching this video.